Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show how to remove the roller brush on this Levoit LVAC-200 cordless stick vacuum. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And make sure that you've read through all of the information on the packaging and any information that came inside of the packaging before you try this. You also want to make sure that your vacuum is both turned off and that the battery is removed. Okay, so this vacuum it's already turned off and has the battery removed. Okay, so there is a button right here. So I'm going to press this button, and when I do that, I can lift this part here up this direction. So I'm going to do that now. And then once it gets to right there, I just let off the button. And then I can just remove the roller brush from the vacuum. And like right here, it kind of stops. It kind of got, like on mine, it kind of like stops or gets stuck right there. You just want to be careful. You don't want to break anything. And I'm just kind of gently, just rotating it until I'm able to take the roller brush out. You can see there's just like a thin part of plastic right here, so you do not want to break that. And then this is what the roller brush looks like. And then, this one looks so clean because I haven't used it yet. So if there was like hair or various things, tangled and clogged up in this, I would just be wearing a pair of gloves, like nitrile gloves, and just remove all that. And then, yeah, so if there was anything in here, like if we turn this way, like if there was anything clogged in here too, that could just be removed as well at this point. Okay. Now to reinstall the roller brush, I'm just lining it up just like this. Just going to put this back into the vacuum. And I'm kind of lifting it up to that same angle that it was at when I took the roller brush out. And I'm just pushing this back into place. And then I kind of lowered it a little bit there. So just like that. Let's get you guys a good view here. And then I'm just going to, once this part is flush, so this is, elevated up a little. And once this part is flush, then I'm just going to start pressing this part down until it secures into place. Just watch your fingers. There are pinch points. There should be a click. I'm going to let you guys listen here. There we go. It clicked into place. I can see that it's secured into place. Just kind of checking it here to make sure that it is. All right, guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.